We use our hands to feel, to hold,
This way?
to explore, to create, to express, and to connect. We use our hands to learn, from the simplest shapes, colors, and textures.
I is for ice cream.
Inspired by the toys we loved, combined with unlimited imagination from a digital platform, carefully designed for the new generation of thinkers. So this is what we created. For the smallest hands, for the most curious minds, and for the love of learning. Introducing Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit. Transform your tablet into an early learning tool.